We are in Carmine, Texas. This little town comprises of a gas station, 2 gas stations, and antique stores. And we're gonna just take a quick look. So, you got Highway 290 in the middle of the town. You got antique stores on that side, as you can see. And you got antique stores on this side. But they're all old buildings, and we're going to take a look. Got the McCall style. There's another antique store. I've been to this one. We got neat stuff in here. And they have a sale going on. Okay, let's go across the street. I think I'm going to drive over there, so I will see you in a flash. Okay, we're on the other side of the street. We're 6 miles from Burton and 19 miles from Brenham. And this old gas station. The old pumps. Yep. Yep. I think this place is defunct. There's another antique store in a building that built in 1949. Not real old building, but it's nice. Looks like tucked away in that house back there is another antique store. Carmine Antiques. The back of that big old building. I think we're going to go check that out. You got their liquor store and steakhouse Steak. Okay, I'm glad I went down over here. Look at this building. You got a short antique store. And a tall antique store. Oh. And it looks like this building is being rehabilitated. Will it be an antique store? Chances are yes. If you look down there, it looks like there's a church. Alright, and here is the fire department. It's the other side of that building. Okay, I believe this is it for Carmine, Texas. Thanks for joining me for this short little stroll through this town. And remember, you are all dearly loved.